In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Android manifest file. When you create a new project, Android Studio generates a manifest for that project by default. This XML file contains essential information about your application, such as your activity, your receiver, and the services and providers. This will help you to define the permissions that your app needs in order to access protected parts of the operating system or other apps. Let's explore the different components of this file. First is permission. This permission tag allows you to specify specific requests for the application. So, for example, if you want to send an SMS with the application, you'll have to define that within the XML file. To do this, I open the tag, type users-permission, which is followed by Android:name equals. There are a variety of permission options to select from. But to send an SMS with the application, I type android.permission.sendSMS. You can also select this from the options and close the tag. So, when your application has been launched on the user device, it's going to request your permission to send an SMS with the app. This exemplifies what the permission tag is used for. Another component is the application tag. The application tag is used to specify the theme of the application in terms of the user interface or UI experience. You can define things like your icon and label in your application tag. Within the application tag, you will find activity. The activity tag is used to define all the activities that you're going to create across the application. For example, here is the default activity class, main activity, which you learned about previously. You may recall that this is essentially the entry point for your app. Within the application tag is a sub-tag called intent filter. This is necessary in order to specify this class or this activity as the initial point of running the application. In other words, the first page that is going to launch is the main activity class. That's why there is an action and category tag within the intent filter. The launcher category means that this class has been assigned as the first class that should run when your application is running on the user device. There are several other things that you can do inside this file, depending on the nature of your project. However, for now, I hope that this overview of what's inside the Android manifest file will assist you in defining essential information for your app in the future.